There's actually another punch that you can do with the right hand, and it's not just a straight right hand, it's actually a right hook. It's a very, very important punch, especially when you're fighting southpaws, because it gets around the guard, and hopefully it can land, and actually you can hurt your opponent. But it's a very, very effective punch. A lot of coaches don't even believe in the right hook, but I think that it's very, very important punch, and I teach it to all my fighters. Well, basically, when you're doing the right hook, actually your footwork stays the same. Your footwork never changes. That space in between your feet is always the same. The only thing is that when you're doing the right hook, just like when you're doing a jab, the left hand has to come back for protection. It has to come back to your chin and for protection. And actually, after you throw the hook, it has to come right back. It has to come right back for protection, to protect your chin as well. Now we're going to show a demonstration of the right hook. Once again, I have Wendell Payne Jr., one of my top amateur fighters. You want to do it off the jab?
Yeah.
A lot of old school coaches don't believe in the right hook, but me, myself, I truly believe in it, and I teach it to all my fighters.